Namaste. Subject Engineering Mathematics. Module Differential Calculus 2. Article number 2.2 Indeterminate Forms. Sub-article number 2.21 L'Hospital's Rule. Type 1. Evaluate the following limits. Problem number 27. Limit x tends to 0. A by x minus cot of x by a. So problem number 27. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ k ಅಂತ assumption ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Okay. Let k equal to limit x tends to 0 a divided by x minus cot of x divided by a. So put x equal to 0. Okay, put x equal to 0. A divided by 0 is infinity. Any value by 0. Any value by 0 is infinity. Minus 0 divided by a. 0 divided by any value is 0. Cot 0 is infinity. Cot 0 is infinity. So infinity minus infinity bandre in type 1 nalli ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Type 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ LCM ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. Given expressions ಗೆ LCM. So given expression ಗೆ simplify the LCM from given expressions. Okay. ಇವಾಗ LCM ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೂ ಮುಂಚೆ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ LCM ಕಾಟಿಗೆ ಕಾಸ್ ಬೈ ಸೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು 0 a divided by x minus cot is cos x by a divided by sin of x divided by a. Okay, ಇದು cos by sin ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ cos divided by sin. ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? LCM. ಟೇಕ್ LCM. LCM ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ x tends to 0 a into sin of x divided by a minus x into cos of x divided by a whole divided by LCM is x into sin of x divided by a. Now put x equal to 0. 0 by a. 0 by any value is 0. Sin 0 is 0. 0 into a is 0. Minus x ಗೆ 0 ಹಾಕೋಣ. 0 into anything is 0. Divided by 0 into anything is 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0 divided by 0. So 0 by 0 form bantalla. Now we are going to apply L'Hospital's rule. L'Hospital's rule apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. So then k equal to L'Hospital's rule ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರಿಗೆ ಸೆಪ್ರೇಟಾಗಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಟೇಕ್ ದಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಸೆಪ್ರೇಟ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್. ಸೊ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ x tends to 0 a into differentiation of sin of x by a is 1 divided by a into cos of x by a. Okay. Minus here apply product rule apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ because both are function ಆಗಿದೆ. First function into differentiation of the second function. So differentiation of cos of x by a is minus 1 by a into sin of x by a plus second function cos of x by a into differentiation of x is 1. Close the flower bracket. Divided by differentiation of x into sin of x by a is first function x as it is. Differentiation of sin of x by a is 1 by a cos of x by a plus second function as it is sin of x divided by a into differentiation of x is 1. Okay, close the bracket. Next, equal to a get cancel. Limit x tends to 0. Cos of x divided by a minus plus x divided by a. Okay. Sin of x by a minus plus minus cos x by a into 1 is cos of x by a divided by x divided by a into cos of x by a plus sin of x by a into 1 is sin of x by a. Positive, negative get cancel. Then put x equal to 0. ಮತ್ತೆ 0 apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 0 by a is 0. 0 into anything is 0 divided by 0 by a is 0. 0 into anything is 0 plus sin 0 divided by a. 0 by any value is 0. Sin 0 is 0. So 0 divided by 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 by 0 form bantala. Again apply the L Hospital's rule. So equal to limit x tends to 0. So 1 by a ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಹಾಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಎ ಈಸ್ 1 by a into cos of x by a plus second function sin of x by a as it is into differentiation of x is 1. Okay, close the flower bracket divided by this one. So 1 by a take outside into first function x as it is differentiation of cos of x by a is minus 1 by a into sin of x by a plus second function cos of x by a as it is cos of x by a into differentiation of x is 1. Okay, close the flower bracket plus differentiation of sin of x by a is 1 by a into cos of x by a. Close the bracket. So equal to limit x tends to 0. So 1 by a inside the bracket x divided by a into cos of x by a plus sin of x by a. Okay, close the flower bracket divided by here in the flower bracket alidiyala adu 1 by a and here 1 by a is common in both side. Illi matte both side alla both the terms illi matte illi. Okay, take outside common ಆಗಿರೋದನ್ನು. Next inside the flower bracket minus x divided by a sin of x by a plus cos of x by a plus cos of x by a. Close the flower bracket and this bracket also. So 1 by a cancel. Now put x equal to 0. So 0 by a is 0. 0 into anything is 0 plus 0 by a or 0 by any value is 0. Sin 0 is 0 divided by 0 by a or 0 by any value is 0. 0 into anything is 0. Next plus 0 by a is 0. Cos 0 is 1 plus here also cos 0 is 1 equal to 0 divided by 2. So 0 by any value is 0. So then k equal to 0. Thus k equal to 0 is the answer. Okay. See the answer. Okay, thank you so much.